Hello dear fans. How matter, motion, space, and time are interconnected. It is rather difficult to understand and comprehend the relationship and interaction of the main attributes of matter, such as motion, space, and time. But as they say, nothing is impossible. Matter is everything that lies outside our consciousness, and it is absolutely opposite to it. There are countless forms of matter in the world, and they exist regardless of whether a person has cognized them or he has just to do it. A large number of forms of matter also determines a large number of its properties, such as, for example, inexhaustibility, indestructibility, non-creation, cognizability. But there are also those without which matter cannot exist. These properties are motion, space, and time, which are usually called the attributes of matter. The concept of movement appeared a long time ago. Due to its obviousness, a person from birth is in motion, like the objects around him. In philosophy, movement is understood as any change. Matter cannot exist without motion, just as, in principle, motion is not possible without something material. Then why move and change if there is nothing? All processes occurring in the material world are interconnected due to motion. As indicated earlier, space and time are also attributes of matter. Space is characterized by volume and length. All objects of matter occupy a certain place in space, some close to each other, others at a considerable distance. Time, in turn, sets a certain pace and rhythm for objects that move and change in space. It expresses the speed of all processes occurring in matter. Unlike space, time cannot be turned back, that is, you cannot return to any minute, hour, year, or century in the past. What cannot be said about the space in which you can move in any direction and get to the place where you were an hour or a year ago? Well, under certain circumstances, of course. Matter, as it were, gives space and time a certain trajectory of change, development, movement, and space and time, in turn, indicate to matter how and in what form it should move. Matter, motion, space, and time are one and cannot exist without each other under any circumstances. Thanks for watching.